What's up, YouTube? Don with the Don Franz Show. A little bit of a late upload for you guys. Sorry about that. Wanted to give you guys a quick update, kind of going into tomorrow, what I'm looking out for. So what I have here is the SPY chart. And what we did was we brought the expected move from the options chain. And we drew them out for the weekly expected move. Now, this is one standard deviation. This is two. We did get above it today. They brought it back in, reined it back in. And that's something I talk about a lot. That's why we point them out at the beginning of the week, because that's where things get crazy. It could take, we could be here on Wednesday. It could take 3 days to get here, but it could take 1 day to go from one standard deviation to two. This is where hedge funds, this is where they need to get to that neutral delta. This is where things get, well, they got to do their job. 68% chance we stay inside this zone the whole week. 95% chance we stay inside the outer belt. Again, one standard deviation, two standard deviations. So if we're in here tomorrow, that's where the volatility is going to take place. So if we do gap up tomorrow, we might gap up, tag those. Well, we're already going to be at all-time highs. Yeah, we might tag this, bring it back in. The likelihood that we actually just, it's more likely that we bring it back in. I'm looking for sellers tomorrow. I'm just curious, is it more of a gap and crap? Do we sell off overnight and kind of gap down? Where does the selling show up? I think the short trade is the obvious trade. Typically when that happens, that's where the tricks come out, the trickery. So now that everybody's short, that's what might fuel the gap up. But, you know, I'm thinking gap and crap. That's personally where I'm at. I think we gap up in the morning, and then things start to sell off. So in that scenario, if we gap up, I put all stops up in the green. As they tag out, I let it go throughout the day. It's Friday. Things trade different. Characteristically, things are different on Fridays. So, you know, I'm not looking to jump in and out of a bunch of things. I let things tag out, let them run their course. If I don't get any notifications tomorrow, then things just kept going up and it was a good day. As I tag out of positions, though, you know, I'll come in right before power hour and see what kind of deals are. See what the market did, kind of really catch up on the day, and see what deals I might want to get into over the weekend. Is there anything that makes sense to have any alerts go off? Did anything pull back and hit a zone? A lot of things are in a zone right now, so it makes sense to actually hit that for them to sell off already. But tomorrow, if your ticker's in a zone, if it gaps up, and just, if it is a gap and crap, comes back right and tests that zone from the top, then I would be looking to probably grab that dip and trade it for the weekend. But, you know, keep your stops in place so that way you can tag out, let a couple more red candles show up, and then you can get in even cheaper. So I'll leave that here. Wanted to make that quick video because we are just right at that one standard deviation mark. So we got the volatility up here. We got the rein it back in. We end the nice bullish week with some profit taking on Friday. So you guys remember, you will see me. Well, I do have the member stream I'm going to do, but also if you're new, you hit that subscribe button, bell, notifications, all that, the works. Like everything, all YouTubers, links are in the description. But I will go live Sunday, 1 hour after futures. We'll watch how it breaks down, and we'll see what's in store for us for the week. So I will see you there.